In this video, you will learn how to use the Flutter print. Let's start this right now. Okay, so you have your application, you have your button, and this is the empty function. Good? After this, you have, if you look down, you have the terminal, the problems, output, and debug console. If you don't see the terminal, let's say I quit it, I close this. You can open it again by saying terminal, new terminal. That's it. And now you see I have two open. I will kill the second one. Good. We have the box open, and now we will go inside. We don't need it right now, but we will need it after. So to use the print function inside Flutter, you go inside the onPress. Inside the curly bracket, you say print with the lowercase letter. You put the semicolon, and you just watch why you have an error. It say avoid print call in production code. Okay, that's good. Print a string representation. Okay, so a string, we know how to use string. It's like this, and we say, by example, print something. Good, just to see if the empty function or the onPress function work. We will hot reload, and now I will click on click. And you see, if we go inside the debug console, you have the print something. Let's try again. I will click the clear console. Nothing is inside. And now when I click on click, here we go. We have the print something. That means when we press on the button, this triggers the elevated button on press, and this print something inside the debug console. So that's cool. On the next video, we will try to do something else inside the onPress function. But for now, we have print something, which is cool. See you on the next video. Bye.